Hey guys, what's up? So today we showing top pitch rate tweaks for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Buzz. Phone customization tweak phone app the way you want it free. Light version, so retire the stock light or dark mode of phone app. Now you can change the colors to how you want. So you have favorite pages, allows you to change the background colors on the favorite pages. You can also change the recent background colors. You can change the blur color of the buttons. You can select colors for the contact headers and more. This sheet's called Switcher. Need something that's on the lock screen. Allows you to set up to 8 different applications as favorites. It's available for all screens except the lock screen. This sheet's called No Google AMP. Compatible with iOS 8 to 14 for use in Safari browser. Simple tweak that automatically calls request desktop site on Google AMP sites, so the original website will load. This sheet's called User Scripts Loader and bring in userscripts.org support to iOS. Enable for Safari and other apps. This is called User Script Manager, supports iOS 10 to 14. UserScript is a program usually written JavaScript for modifying web pages to augment browsing. This is called Escape, and escape from annoying people. So you fake incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. This is called App Store++, allows you to downgrade or upgrade apps in App Store, block updates, bypass 200 MB down limit, disable search ads, and disable app thinning. Supports iOS 11.8 to 14.5. So in this update, they removed mid-rank since it's given an error. I'm not going to read that. What he said. It replaced mid-rank with some Chinese site. Hopefully it holds longer than mid-rank. And yeah, so that's about it. Next is called iSecure OS, and you can detect the main repo malware plus more features. So this week basically will show you like the vulnerabilities, your outdated tweets, and just shows you some risks you have with your jailbreak and that you need to either delete, remove, fix, update, or whatever. So it's a great tweak if you're interested in security and vulnerabilities. This is called Flits Ratings for Netflix, and tweak represents the user with enhanced rating from a popular online website that provides user and critic reviews for various filmography. Directly within Netflix application for iOS, and when available, this additional rating is seamlessly shown underneath the title, the summary page for any given movie or TV show. So you basically, tap on the movie or TV show on Netflix, and it shows you the ratings for it. So some screenshots of the tweak. This is called Spring Artwork, and uses the current artwork as wallpaper on both the lock screen and the home screen, which all media apps. If using Spotify, it uses the video artwork applicable. Spring Artwork is filled with different settings that allows you to configure it to your liking. So you have these features right here. This is called Callbar ets where it's iOS 12, 13, and 14. So it gives you that, caller interface. So instead of taking your home screen, it's kind of like the iOS 14 call interface where, you can still use the device and do whatever. And also have the call interface on top or on bottom, wherever you want to put it. This is called Nano Banners and small banners for iOS 14. This is called Nice Bar ets and Nice Bar ets free. This is called Amanda's and Apple Pay redesign. So complete redesign for Apple Pay pop-up, designed to be minimalistic and streamlined so that it really feels like it belongs as a part of iOS. This is called Nets Up 2, iOS 12 and 13, not compatible with iOS 14.2 or above. So it's a little enhancement that allows you to glimpse ahead of the current track and see what it had in store for you. So you can basically see the next song that's going to play after the song that's already playing. This is called Apets, and helps save home screen space and rid of the assets folder clutter by tucking away those related apps they want to discrete but instant access to. She's called Zenith, and complete rewrite. It lets you create stats of icons on your home screen. This is called CC Patch 13. Supports iOS 8 to 14 all devices. Small patch to Common Sense to remove sign checks. Allows for things such as carrier crack. Just making small modifications to it yourself or bypass certain restrictions. Carrier crack enabled by iTweak OS. So pretty cool. This is called Drag Enable, supports iOS 11 to 13, labels the iPad drag and drop features for iPhones. This is called Lib Karomi Sigutas Library. This is called Plus for Instagram. It's must-have tweak for Instagram, lightweight, and it's basically Instagram Plus alternative, so these features right here. This is called Let Me Block, and MDNS Responder Helper when MDNS Responder keeps crashing. This is called Zenith Heavy Plus, no ads for Zenith Heavy, supports iOS and iPad OS 11 to 14.